Wow. Just laying here in the bed. It was clear. Now it's pouring down. Just out the blue. Well, hello, May. That's crazy. No warning. It was clear skies. Great way to start this beautiful Sunday off. Oh my gosh, you guys. So it has stopped raining. Look at this. Right here. Just that fast. It has stopped pouring down. Has completely stopped. It is crazy. Look. It's like drying up completely already. Welcome to Florida. And look, the sun is coming. Now it's going to be even more humid, I believe. No filter type of sunlight on you. Ooh, all right. I'm just sitting on the couch editing, and I look over. Look at that. It's decided to start raining again. It was just sunshine. It was just, the sun was beaming on us. This is crazy. Every day, this girl. Come over here, let me see.
No.
Come here, April.
I'm not done yet. I'm not done.
Okay, so probably go do a water sport. So I'm gonna run and get a sun visor to put over, you know, my braids and stuff. So that's what I'm doing while they're eating lunch. I'm gonna go to a gift shop. So let's go. Oh, look at that. They have like a little market right here. These are what I came over here to get. Keep looking at them when I was on South Beach, but get one today. Okay, so I just came back in and I thought I'll show you how it looks up close. I don't know, it's a little weird, but you know, we're just gonna rock out. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, put a little t-shirt over this because this is my swimsuit, and get ready for our little water sports. Down to the garage and get the car. There they come. She took my room. Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, that's for your vlog. Mm-hmm. Okay. Arrived at the beach. We're inside of Key Biscayne, like a little beach inside of here. It's really pretty over here. Look at this. It's so beautiful. See them out here barbecuing. Oh my god. And we found the water sports section, so let's go see.
Huh? Oh.
Oh. Well, you really can't see anything. So we just left out to go rent the boat for the kayaking, but unfortunately they're having some type of competition, so they're not renting them out today. And we couldn't do the stand-up pedaling board either, so kayaking was a fail today, but at least we know where we can come. It's not far from our house. We'll definitely come back. But look at the cute kayak boats. I just knew we were going to be on one today. But now we're just gonna go head to the beach. Okay, so plan B, here it goes. Our little chairs that we've got. Look, it's a whole bunch of fish. You having fun? Yeah. All right, so beach day is over. We've been out here for a couple hours. Great relaxing day. Jordan is now finally out the ocean. Yes, what's up? Go on his name. Yes. Children at the beach. All right, my loves, so I want to just come say hey, and we are now home. We were at Key Biscayne. It had a ton of beaches within there. We did see another kayaking place, so we would check that out the next time, maybe during the week or something like that. But yeah, so thank you so much for rocking out with us today. It was a beautiful Sunday. Anyways, until the next time.